I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 young kids, and my husband is a business owner. I've been living with my head in the sand for the last couple of years as he's managed the money, and I've just recently discovered how poorly he's been doing that. We are in a world of debt right now and trying to find a path out of it.
Okay. So what caused you to suddenly become aware?
He called me one day and said, I'm going to tell you before you get home to see the mail today, but we got a foreclosure notice on our house.
Oh, my gosh.
Which was due to a second mortgage he took out on our house in order to purchase a warehouse for his business. I naively thought, okay, I'm going to fix this. I'm going to cash out one of my 401ks, pay that off, get the house out of foreclosure, and then we're going to move forward and do everything right from here on out. That was very naive. As I started to dig deeper, I realized the trouble that the business was in. He has a huge overhead and is not making enough to sustain that.
How old are you guys?
I'm 39. He's 42.
How long you been married?
6 years.
When was the phone call on the foreclosure notice to you?
Well, on the house or on...
Now, when
on
did
the
he
house,
call you? What day? How long ago did he call you and say?
Oh, this was back in May.
May. Okay, so you've been gathering more information, and you all have been having more discussions for a couple of months now.
Correct.
Okay. All right. So, what is he now saying?
He has a very motivated mindset, and he feels like he just needs to keep pushing forward with the business, and things are going to turn around any day, any week, and he's going to be able to fix all of this. Meanwhile, it feels as if things are not getting better. Things seem to be getting worse. Twice this month, he's not been able to make payroll for the employees. I've found out about some IRS debt, some property tax that's delinquent.
So why are you, once you discovered one thing, why do you not have a conversation when the two of you sit down and he tells you everything? Why are you having to continue to pull the thread on the sweater?
Well, eventually he did. Once
Okay.
I found out about the IRS
So
debt.
we're all on the
What's the
same
total?
page today.
What's the total debt, Katie?
Including mortgages,
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
about $4.5 million.
Okay. And how much is the mortgage on your home?
Our mortgage is, we owe $480 on the house, plus the second mortgage, which is $400, so about $880.
Okay. What's the house worth? What's the house worth?
Probably 1.1.
Okay. What's the mortgage on the warehouse? Is there one?
The mortgage on the yes, there is. The mortgage on the warehouse, we owe about 3.3 on it, and the monthly payment on that is about $26,000.
And what's it worth?
It's worth 4.1, 4.2.
Okay. Is it on the market for sale?
Yes, I sat down with our
Good. It's
broker.
on. Okay. So that's on the
earlier
market.
this
Is your
week,
home
and
on the market for sale?
No.
Okay. And so what other debt is there other than these two?
There's credit card debt, which totals about $120,000. There's a personal loan from my parents, which is $115,000. There is the property tax, which is about $100,000. There are our ridiculous cars, which are $140,000.
Are they on the market for sale?
No.
They
not
need
yet.
to be today.